Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be showing you how I achieve these curls using the braid and 3-strand twist method. As always, starting with hair that has been washed, deep conditioned, and I also applied my leave-in of choice. And here you see that I'm just prepping my hair for the braid and 3-strand twist. So first I am starting by wetting my hair with just plain water. Then I'm finger detangling my hair and making sure my sections is the way I want them to be. And for this style, I'm actually only doing about 6 sections. After I added the water, I'm going to add my cream of choice and fully detangle. Next, you'll see me adding my gel of choice, and we'll get right into the braid and 3-strand twist. For my braid and 3-strand twist out, I'm gonna go ahead and braid midway through and then start the 3-strand twist. And you want to make sure you're keeping your fingers very close together to get a really tight twist. This is gonna allow more definition. If your twist is loose, then you're not gonna have as much definition versus if you was to twist a lot tighter. Keeping your fingers close together allows you to do so. And here I'm really trying to give you a close-up so you can see exactly what I'm doing if you have never seen how to do a 3-strand twist before. Once I get towards the ends, I like to detangle again, and I finish with a 2-strand twist. And here's another close-up on how to do the 3-strand twist. here I'm just showing you how I'm sectioning off my hair. I'm just using my fingers, no comb, and this is better for when it's time to separate. I won't have any harsh parts in the way, and you'll see that towards the end. In total, there are 6 sections, and this was the perfect amount of sections for my hair. The smaller the sections, the more definition you'll have, but with these sections, I got the perfect amount of definition, so I was satisfied with the results, and you'll see towards the end exactly how everything was looking. Once I was done installing the braid and 3-strand twist, I went ahead and wrapped my hair and put my satin bonnet cap on. And this took about 3 days to dry. On the third day, I set under my hooded dryer for about a good hour, and that dried the roots completely. And you want to make sure that your roots is dry, everything is completely dry before you take it out, because that will make or break your hairstyle. Now for the takedown process, I'm just separating the curls where they naturally separate. Now I should have used the oil when I took down my hair, but I didn't. I probably would have had less frizz, but it still came out really cute and I'm happy with the results. Let me know in the comments if you tried the braid and 2-strand twist out, or if you tried the braid and 3-strand twist out. Or if you tried both, let me know which one you prefer. I'm definitely going for the braid and 3-strand twist out. I find that the separation is a lot easier and I'm getting a lot of definition, which is always a plus. Alright, and here are the final results. As you can see, the definition is definitely there. And this was only with 6 sections. So just imagine if I did my sections a lot smaller, I would have more definition, but this was perfect. I love how much volume I have without even picking it out on the first day, and it's gonna get bigger. So I'm excited to see how this week goes in my hair. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Bye!